Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Renita D'Souza. Today let us learn about an Ayurvedic herbal oil for wound healing, that is Dinesavalyadi Keram. Keram is the Malayalam word for coconut oil. This medicine has coconut oil as the base oil. Dinesavalyadi Keram uses. It is used to heal wound quickly. It is used for external application over the affected part. Ingredients of Dinesavalyadi Keram: Dinesavali bark, that is Ventilago madaraspatana, coconut oil. It acts as a natural coolant and relieves pain and burning sensation associated with wound. Juice extract of Dinesavali and Punarnava, that is Bohevia diffusa. This is very useful to relieve inflammation. Its shloka says, Dinesavali swarase vipakvam tacharma kalkena punarnavasya sarocha tailam ranaropanartham prashastamityeva vadanti tadnyaha. Its reference is taken from Sahasra Yoga Taila Yoga Prakarana. Side effects of Dinesavalyadi Keram. There are no known side effects with this medicine on external application. This product is not indicated for oral intake. Keep out of reach and sight of children. Store in a cool, dry place. It is manufactured by Ayurvedic pharma companies like Vaidyaratnam, Imcops, etc. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.